To draw a box of dates, start by drawing two parallel lines like that, and then we need to sort of join them together with a sort of semicircle. So it's not quite a semicircle, it's you know what I mean, right? And then draw two lines coming directly down like that, and we want to copy that line, exactly that curve. So keep sort of an equal distance away from that curve like that. And then we want another one that's very, very close to it. And then this is the lid of the box, which is kind of stuck on underneath, upside down, like that. And then that's going to be the box. We're going to want that stick that goes right down the middle. Actually, I think I'm going to do it about there. And then it has that kind of prong, like that, and then we're going to want our dates in there like that. But first, let's draw the box. So I'm going to come all the way around like that, and I'm going to let that just kind of dot away into the distance. This can then come up there like that and come around. So that's the thickness of the box coming around there. And that will come all the way down and join up there. And then we want the thickness of the lid. So we'll come around there, and this comes down. And that is the lid, which is kind of stuck on underneath. And then we're going to want to start building up our dates. So we'll have one kind of date there, and two. They're more pointy really, aren't they? Like that. Like that, and maybe another one squished in there, maybe sort of little, marks across the top. And then we can draw this kind of forky thing like that, which I think originally were kind of bits of the actual sort of date thing, but eventually they made them out of plastic. And then we can draw another row of dates down the side, on the other side, like that. And we'll probably see a bit underneath in there. And we put those little top parts in. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And then we can add in a bit of shading in there, and maybe a bit of shading in there as well, and on the lid. We're definitely going to need some sort of quite dark shading in there, and kind of behind these dates, so they're going to make quite a bit of dark shadow in there. Like that, and then we're going to want some shadow in there, and also in underneath the stick on the top, like that. And then each of these dates we can sort of shade in like that. So the one on top is shading the one underneath, so we'll have a bit of shading there, and like that. I'll just zip through this. And then finally, just to kind of put the whole thing on the table, we'll put a bit of shading. The whole thing will cast a shadow onto the table, as it were, or wherever it is sitting. And we could maybe draw a line behind there to really put it on the table. And there you go, how to draw a box of dates real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.